On March 2nd was the launch of a new spacecraft called the Dragon Crew, and it had its first mission. So this is an artist's conception of the Dragon Crew Capsule by SpaceX called Dragon 2. There's a Dragon cargo carrier that we've been using for quite a while, but this one can carry 4 astronauts or even 7 astronauts eventually to the space station, and it's totally autonomous unless you have to get in and make some correction. Notice the running lights, the view from the capsule as it approaches the space station, but this was all totally run by the spacecraft itself. The computer on board was navigating it to the docking.
It was uncrewed.
No crew in it. There was
an
an anthropomorphic, what do they call it, an anthropomorphic test device named Ripley, and another high-tech zero-gravity indicator, which we're going to hear about in a minute. And after 6 days, it separated from the International Space Station and carried Ripley back to the ocean. Actually, I should say to the planned landing in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Florida. A NASA plane getting an infrared view of the capsule going through the atmosphere and then deploying its parachutes. Here we see it approaching the ocean. Main parachutes, and they open it up. Remember, Apollo had three parachutes, so this has 4. If one doesn't work, it can still land okay. And here we see the burnt marshmallow return to the ship. Now that capsule is going to fly again in June on an intentionally crippled booster, which will shut down early, and they'll test to see if that escape system works okay. And if so, crews could be flying as early as July to the space station. And this is that view we saw. This is the approach of the Dragon Crew as the sun's setting behind it and getting ready for that docking that we saw. Or maybe it was sunrise, dawn of a new era.